Alright, well, hello everyone. I'm Ezra Dowd, this is my partner Jason Lockman, and we're here to talk about RPI walk again. Alright, so today we're going to do a brief overview of what we've completed so far, what we're working on now, what we have on our to-do list, and then we have a working tech demo. So here's like a quick overview of what we've done so far. It's basically some stuff from our last presentation. It's like we have the main UI done, like pathfinding, routing, stuff like that. We have scheduling, and this time we have notifications working.
Okay, so what we're working on right now, we're making a settings menu so you can change, so the user can change what time format, notification options such as how long before the event they want the notification. Handicap settings, turn it on or off. For graphical elements, we have the backgrounds. We just have to like make all of them match a certain theme. So that's what we're doing right now. And I'm making a database of the buildings and their entrances, because right now it's like at the middle of the building and that's kind of confusing if you're making a walking app. So we need the entrances. And it's also going to include the accessibility of the building. What we have planned is we're going to change the layout to a tab layout because that's prettier and easier to use. And we're also thinking about changing over to Google Maps. We don't know yet. And we have to actually make the database work eventually. And after that, we're going to go into working with the routing and tour feature.
Okay, and so now we have a little demo for you here. So if I can just pull this up. Alright, so here is the main screen of the app. It has like from and to. So let's see if I wanted to find my way from here over to, let's say, the Daring Communication Center. I could find route. And so it picks us up. So the my location is a bit off because, you know, cell locations can't be perfect. But so for each location kind of node thing, it'll have like the step on the route. And the first node has the amount of time the route takes and the direction, and like a kind of like a direction string, like what you're supposed to do. So here, it considers this is all like one road. So it just kind of tells you to go down here, and this is the finish point. And so this just says finish, you've arrived at your destination. So that's basically how our routing works right now. On here, it draws from like a list of all the locations on campus, so we can get like auto-completed. So like if I wanted to know how to get from Barton Hall, so we can pick that up. Like if I wanted to go from Barton Hall to the Daring Communication Center, it does that. And then here you can actually see like the different like nodes on the route. So here it shows you that this walk would take approximately like 8 minutes and 40 seconds. So, and it has individual like little nodes. So it's like turn left here, and then like turn right here. And then it also follows stuff like the little walkover bridge. As you can see, like it takes you over the street there. So aside from routing, we have our scheduling feature. So we go over our schedule menu and we can add an item. So say we have RCOS today, so RCOS meeting, which is in the Amos Hall on Tuesdays at 12. But yeah, so it'll add this here, and then when the current time like falls within like a certain range, it'll calculate the time it takes to get from your current location to the location of your appointment, plus the like how early you would like to be, which is going to be something in the settings menu. So it'll then send you a notification for that. You can also like do like simple things like remove items from the menu. The app also does like location debugging and some more like location validating. So like if I just enter like black here, like it's like please make sure you entered a valid location because like it didn't really get anything to know. And then we also have like an about screen, which is kind of just lists the authors and RCOS. So that's, and also, I'm not sure if I can like actually make it generate a notification, but let's see. Okay, so yeah, so I recently just changed it while we were sitting like in here so that it doesn't immediately do a check after I add an item, because I just switched it over today to like a background task, and that made it a little bit unstable, as you can see. But notifications do work. They just aren't working. Well, like, I can't, like, make it generate one for you. And oh, actually it did. Awesome. So here you can see the notification. So we have, like, the notification icon and stuff. Currently, the notification text is a little bit bugged. Negative 948 seconds. But yeah, so that's basically the progress on the app so far. Glad we actually had a tech demo to show this time. So, questions?
iOS version. What about iOS version?
iOS version, we want to make one, but I don't really have an iPhone or something to test it on. So I'd have to like really like, that would come after we finished everything for the Android version, since I don't really have any experience developing on iOS.
I don't know. You can. Is there a compass available in the Android so that you can go east, west, go right, left, etc. So it goes south. Say for example, if you go to Barton Hall, you can say go east.
The text in the little nodes is provided by the routing manager. So when we request the route, it actually gives us back the text for all the individual nodes.
Have you considered integrating with Google Calendar? Because I use that a lot, and it'd be nice if it could just detect when you're in on RPI's campus location, and then just bring up a notification for that automatically. I don't know if that's really hard to do or impossible, but that'd be really cool.
That would be nice. I haven't looked at it, but it sounds like a pretty cool idea if it has like an API for it and stuff like that.
Probably, yeah.
Okay. Any other questions? And then of course acknowledge Shauna Sullivan, Professor Morthy, Chris Goldschmidt, and all you guys.